If the phone call is dropping in your Samsung device and you get the message no SIM card installed even though there is SIM card in your phone, then let us see some of the ways to try to fix the issue. The first thing that you will do is you will simply restart the phone. Sometimes restarting the phone fixes many of the minor issues. So pull down the screen, again pull down. There is this power button, tap on it, and then if I select restart, my Samsung phone will restart. So after the phone has restarted, check if you can make a call or not. The next thing that you will do after this one is you will go to settings here. You will go to this option general management, go to reset, select reset all settings and then reset settings. Now you have to enter the pin code of your phone, and once you do it, your phone will reset back to the factory settings. No data will be deleted, but if you have made some customization, then that will be removed. Also, you have to enter the password of your Wi-Fi again. So after you have reset your phone, check if you can make a call or not. The other thing that you will do is take out the SIM from the SIM card tray, clean it, and if you have dual slot, put your SIM card in another slot and check if you can make a call or not. Now the last thing that you have to do is, if you have the option to use your SIM card in another phone, use the SIM card in another phone and check if the SIM card is working or not. If the SIM card is not working in another device, that means your SIM card is damaged. So in that case, you have to replace the SIM card.